back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I put in my clip-ins. I naturally have thick curly hair. Most of the time I wear it straight, but I wanted it to be longer. I've cut it and I really want it to grow out to the length that I wanted. So in the meantime, I'm wearing clip-ins. I didn't want to do a sew-in. I didn't want to do a wig because honestly my head is already kind of big. So I decided to go with clip-ins, and I went with a brand that I found off of Amazon called FRISKYLOV. And honestly, I like them. They're 100% human hair, and you can dye them, you can cut it, you can style it any way that you want. I have curled these, I have straightened these. I plan on doing a video where I wand my hair with them because it's so pretty. But enough about that. Let's get into it. So here I have already sectioned off the bottom part of my hair. I'm starting with a 3-clip weft. I'm detangling, unclipping the clips, and clipping into place. So for the second section of hair, I am still parting starting at the top of my ears, but I am parting in an upward motion towards the center of my head. Here I am going to get another 3-clip weft, start at the top of my ears and part upward. So now that I have gotten to the top of my head, I'm going to part my hair at the top how I normally wear my hair, which is parted down the middle, and use my scrunchie to hold the other hair in place. And starting from the bottom, here I'm using 2 clip wefts, which are smaller, of course, clipping them into place and blending. Now I could add another clip weft to this section, but I don't like it to look big, so I just left it there so it looks kind of flat on the top. Moving to the next side, 2 clip weft, clip into place, section, and clip. Boom. Ow. Okay, there's more that you can do with these clip-ins. So if I'm feeling like I want to switch up my part, which I often do, you can section it off a different way. And I will add that 2 clip weft to the other side. I do want a little bit more coverage here, so I'm going to add a 1 clip weft to the top just to elongate the front of my hair. And there we are. All right, I had to show you guys how well they blended in with my natural hair. It's like perfect. Okay, so I need to go find something to do. I got a beat. A beat. I got my clip-ins in. And I don't have nothing to do. Story of my life. But I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you hit the like, thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. And hey, go ahead and hit that bell too, so you'll know when I have more content coming your way. Okay, so I need to go find something to do. I got a beat. A beat. I got my clip-ins in. And I don't have nothing to do. Story of my life. But I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you hit the like, thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. And hey, go ahead and hit that bell too, so you'll know when I have more content coming your way.